Good day, Madam and Sir in Hong Kong. My name is April Jane Garote. I am 22 years old, single. I am a newly licensed professional teacher in secondary education, major in science here in the Philippines. I am the fifth among siblings. I have two brothers and four sisters. My first job is a kitchen helper here in the Philippines. I am helping in preparing raw materials in the kitchen, washing dishes, and wash use utensils for 8 months. My second previous job is a housekeeping here in the Philippines. I clean, wash, and fold clothes. I cook foods, I wash dishes, I clean the house, and I also do gardening. And my third job is a private tutor up until present here in the Philippines. Since I study education, I also do private tutoring. I am teaching children in their different activities in the school, like homeworks, assignments, and activities. I am guiding children for them to understand their lessons in the school. Madam and sir, if you will hire me, I will consider and treat your family as mine. I will continue working with you not just 2 years but a long-term basis as long as you like my service. Looking forward to see you, Madam and sir. Thank you so much and God bless.